I tear the coupons out of the paper every week. I am tearing up the old contract right now. I have just torn a page by accident. I have been tearing down the old shed all weekend. I tore my jeans on a nail yesterday. I was tearing open the package when the phone rang. I had torn the ticket in half before I realized my mistake. I had been tearing through this novel for hours before I finally slept. I will tear off the wrapping paper tomorrow morning. I will be tearing down the stage after the show tonight. I will have torn out every weed by the weekend. By June, I will have been tearing up the track at practice for a year.